that has, it's like you're just trying to compare things which are very different in the terms of, say, like based on what use you have, right? For example, if you consider Tableau has access to various different data sources and servers as compared to Power BI, and Tableau also allows access to clouds and the Hadoop database system. Power BI only allows access to Azure Cloud. Then we have Tableau has a better data capacity, whereas Power BI can only handle data which is up to 10 GB. And if there is more than that, it can access data from the Azure cloud, but nothing other than that. Then another thing is that Tableau has inbuilt Python machine learning capabilities, which is not available in Power BI. And Power BI is definitely cheaper. It comes with the Microsoft suite, so it's easier and more accessible for people. Tableau, on the other hand, is quite expensive because Tableau was initially designed as something only for corporates. So that is there. And another thing is that Power BI has been developed with the idea that, even naive and inexperienced users, find it quite easy to use. It's very user friendly. In case of Tableau, although it is quite simple, but is, more beneficial for people who are advanced users. So that is there. And because Power BI, it came after Tableau, it has a really cool feature, which is natural language query, where, it acts just like Google. You have your data and you can literally ask questions in your language. Like you can ask questions in English about the data and it will generate a visualization for you. And then you can probably choose the visualization that best suits your purpose and you're done with that. Tableau does not have this feature. So this feature makes it very easy for, inexperienced users to become acquainted with the platform and use it to their advantage. So basically, I would say that Power BI is something that people should use when they are new to the system, and it's very easy to use. But Tableau wins hands down in terms of the speed and the capabilities and access to the various kinds of databases. So Tableau is something which can be used by, say, medium or enterprise companies which need to work heavily on data analytics. And Power BI is something that you could start out with. Like even individuals can, have an account and make the best use of it.